Can you explain a DSCR loan, and can you get it through a hard money lender? So let me tell you what the difference is between the two so then you'll understand. So when you go through hard money, a hard money loan is a temporary loan, right? It's a short-term loan, usually somewhere between 3 months and like up to 24 months. Now, the hard money lender gives you enough money to buy the house and to renovate the house, okay? So like I said, this over here, this is short-term financing with a hard money lender. Now, if you want to buy and hold this property, right? If you're saying, I'm flipping this property to myself so it can be a rental property, then you're going to need permanent financing, right? Or long-term financing, because the hard money loan is short-term financing. So after you're done with the hard money, when you decide, you know what, ding, ding, I want to keep this as a rental property, then you're going to go over here and you're going to say, I would like to get a DSCR loan. Now, a DSCR loan, again, is permanent financing, or it's like 30 years or 15 years, whatever you want it to be. And they focus on the lease amount, so what is the property leased for, and then they focus on the appraisal amount. It's not based on your W-2 or all of your bank statements, nothing like that. It's a very investor-friendly loan, and it focuses on how is the payment going to be covered, basically, in simple terms. So that's what it is, and yes, you still have to have good credit to do it, but like I said, the moment you're done flipping the house, if you know you're going to keep it as a rental, you're going to immediately put a tenant in it, okay? Immediately. So now your payment is covered, and now you can go and get your DSCR loan and say, hey, look, I've got a tenant in here renting it for $1,800 a month or $2,500 a month or whatever it is, and then they're going to do the loan based on that. And yes, you still have to have a little bit better than average credit, not like superb credit, but it's got to be like, I think like a 640 last time I checked, or maybe it was a 630. But you have 2 years in your hard money loan, which is plenty of time to get your credit fixed. And if y'all watch my credit fix videos, you know you don't have to have a ton of money to fix your credit. You don't have to have any money to fix your credit. You just got to know what you don't know. But I know what you don't know, even though you don't know, but that's why I do the videos, to tell you what you don't know. So if you don't know, check my playlist on, it's like Fix My Credit or whatever it is, and that will help you. So I hope I explained the differences, and I hope now you know. Happy investing.